What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to name this chemical, which is CeBr3, and then find out molar mass or molecular weight. Ce is cerium and Br is bromide ion, because Br minus, and here we have Ce 3 plus. Ce sometimes gets 4 plus and sometimes 3 plus, but in this case it's 3 because you see 3 in here. So it is called cerium 3 bromide. That's the name of this chemical. Let's see how to find out the molar mass. We have cerium and bromide. We need to find out the atomic mass in periodic table. Bromide is 79.904. Cerium is 140.12. We have 1 of cerium and we have 3 bromide, so that's going to be 140.12. This one is 3 times 79.904. It's going to be 239.712. It's going to make it 379.832 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass of cerium bromide. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding chemistry, physics and math. Thank you for watching and have a great day.